Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to increase Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal limit. Alright, so let's begin. By default, Cash App places limits on the amount of Bitcoin you can withdraw within a specific time period. If you'd like to increase those limits, you'll need to complete the identity verification process available in the app. To get started, open Cash App and sign into your account. Tap on this banking icon from bottom right, then scroll down, tap on the Bitcoin tab, and then select the option to withdraw Bitcoin. If your account hasn't been fully verified yet, you should see an option to increase your withdrawal limits. Tap on it to begin the verification process. Cash App will ask you to provide some personal information to verify your identity. This may include your full legal name, date of birth, and for US users, the last 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, you may also be asked to upload a photo of a government-issued ID. Make sure all the information you provide matches your official documents, as incorrect details could delay or prevent the verification process. After you've submitted the required information, Cash App will review your request. Verification is often completed within 24 to 48 hours, although some requests may be approved sooner. Once your identity has been successfully verified, your Bitcoin withdrawal limit should automatically be increased. You can then return to the Bitcoin section to check your updated limits. If you've completed the verification process but your withdrawal limit still hasn't changed, your next step should be to contact Cash App support for further assistance. To do this, tap on your profile icon, open the support section, and choose the option to start a chat or contact the support team. Explain the issue you're experiencing and they'll guide you through any additional troubleshooting steps, and that's it. So that's basically how you can increase Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal limit. So that's all for this video.